Hey y'all, back with another video. Today I'm doing a Cardi B protein treatment hair mask. I'm using the avocado, a banana, egg, mayonnaise, and honey, olive oil, and an egg. Last time I used the egg in my hair, I didn't know what I was doing. So this is like my second time using the egg in my hair. So I just did one because I know the mayonnaise have eggs in it. So that's all I needed. But yes, y'all need to stay tuned and see how this hair mask did my hair. And it's just like a lot of nutrients, and I was in need for a protein treatment. I am doing trying to repair my heat damage and as much as I can without cutting my hair. So I am alternating between protein treatments and deep conditioners. So I wanted to do a protein treatment and see how it do. So I haven't had one in a while, and I just wanted to try the Cardi B hair mask. I've always wanted to try it and see how it do my hair. So yeah, just stay tuned and see how it goes. I'm starting out with washing my hair first. Okay, so this is my hair before I did the Cardi B hair mask. I haven't did anything to my hair since I did the 100 pump conditioner challenge. So it's pretty much a wash and go. I just wet it with the spray bottle, and sometimes I lay my edges, sometimes I don't, but this is the first time I did anything to it, and I was in need for a protein treatment because in my previous videos I let you guys know that I have heat damage in the front of my hair due to just non-protective styling and manipulation, heat and color. I colored my hair, so I'm just trying to repair my heat damage without cutting my hair. And I know that you can't reverse heat damage without cutting it, so I'm just gonna clip it a little bit at a time and just do protein treatments and deep conditioners to see how much I can revert my hair back to my natural curl pattern. And I noticed something today with my hair. I never paid attention to my curl pattern until now. My curl pattern go to the right. I've been swirling my curls to the left. I I don't know if that's like if anybody else made that mistake, but I've been doing that forever, and I'm 35, so I've been messing my curl pattern up. But anyway, yeah, I just started to swirl it to the right now.